Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing this Virgin Atlantic A350. My dad bought me this for me. Here's the back, here's the front. So yeah, let's unbox it. And this plane, I didn't have it because this is brand new. Zayron made this brand new. And this is my second model review video. This is one of the hardest box I have ever opened. Yeah. Oh my god, my first time touching this model. Wait there, okay guys? Wait. Alright, so I got the scissors here to get this big boy off. Yeah. And here's this big boy. And its first flight I'm gonna do as a model is to London Heathrow Airport or Miami International Airport. And I always wanted this plane, so thank you Dad for buying me this. So, and if my dad is watching this video, comment you're welcome, please. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye.